Welcome to Make It Science channel, where we make science simple and fun. Enjoy the journey. The eternal preservation of honey.
Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that is thousands of years old and still edible. This is because honey's high sugar content and low moisture create an environment inhospitable to bacteria.
More stars than grains of sand.
There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. It is estimated that there are over 100 billion galaxies in the observable universe, each containing millions to billions of stars.
The 3 hearts and blue blood of octopuses.
Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blood contains a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin, which gives it a blue color.
The strange properties of metallic hydrogen.
Metallic hydrogen is a strange substance formed under extreme pressure. Scientists have successfully created it in a laboratory, and it exhibits superconductivity, meaning it can conduct electricity without resistance.
Antarctica's dry valleys, Mars on Earth.
The dry valleys of Antarctica are the driest places on Earth, receiving almost no precipitation and experiencing extremely high winds. These conditions make them a close analog to the surface of Mars, and scientists frequently conduct Mars simulation research there.
Crocodiles can climb trees too.
Some crocodiles can climb trees, especially younger ones. This behavior helps them gain a better vantage point for hunting and also aids in thermoregulation.
The brain's high energy consumption.
The brain accounts for about 2% of a human's body weight, but consumes around 20% of the body's energy. This is because the brain requires a significant amount of energy to maintain the electrical signals between neurons and other physiological functions.
The extreme survival abilities of tardigrades.
Scientists have discovered a tiny creature called the tardigrade, or water bear, that can survive extreme conditions, including the vacuum of space, high radiation, and extreme temperatures.
The pregnancy journey of male seahorses.
The seahorse is a unique fish because male seahorses become pregnant and give birth to young. The female deposits eggs into the male's brood pouch, where he fertilizes and incubates them until they hatch.
Supernovae explosions and the formation of heavy elements.
Supernovae explosions produce vast amounts of energy and eject large quantities of matter into space. This matter includes heavy elements, which are essential for the formation of planets and life.
Cold-blooded animals and temperature regulation.
Cold-blooded animals, such as reptiles and amphibians, rely on environmental temperatures to regulate their body heat. These animals use sunbathing to raise their body temperature or seek shade to cool down.
The effects of ocean acidification.
Due to increased carbon dioxide emissions, the oceans absorb more CO2, leading to acidification. This negatively impacts marine ecosystems and organisms, such as corals and shellfish.
Water vapor content in the atmosphere.
Water vapor in the atmosphere is one of the most significant greenhouse gases. It has a substantial impact on regulating Earth's temperature by absorbing and re-radiating infrared energy.
Gravitational effects of black holes.
The gravitational field of a black hole is so strong that not even light can escape. Once matter crosses the event horizon of a black hole, it is trapped by the intense gravitational forces and cannot escape.
Melting rate of polar glaciers.
Due to rising global temperatures, polar glaciers are melting at an accelerated rate. This not only causes sea levels to rise, but also impacts global climate patterns and ecosystems.
The process of photosynthesis in plants.
Plants convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose through photosynthesis. This process relies on light energy and occurs primarily in chloroplasts, forming the basis of life on Earth.
The complexity of the human genome.
The human genome contains approximately 3 billion DNA base pairs and encodes about 20,000 to 25,000 genes. Decoding the genome helps in understanding genetic diseases and individual differences.
The impact of volcanic eruptions on climate.
Volcanic eruptions release large amounts of ash and gases into the atmosphere. These materials can reflect sunlight, causing the Earth's surface to cool and impacting global climate.
Adaptive evolution in animals.
Animals undergo adaptive evolution in response to environmental changes. For instance, the beak shapes of Darwin's finches have evolved to suit different food sources.
The formation of auroras.
Auroras are formed by the interaction of charged particles from the solar wind with Earth's magnetic field and atmospheric gases. The energy released from these collisions produces light, creating stunning displays.
Thank you for exploring fascinating science facts with us. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more amazing discoveries.